So here we are on the bus to Kilauea, which is an active volcano about 4,000 feet high. Our first stop was the volcano house, which had an amazing view into the crater. After Volcano House, we went to see the visitor center. The next stop was a walk around the Kilauea crater. Next, we drove to the steam vents and passed a military camp on the way there. And here are the steam vents. They're supposed to make you younger if you put your face into the steam. We continued on our tour and went to see another lookout. If you look way down, you can see people hiking that path below. Our guide said it would take a whole day to do, but it seems so cool. Finally, our last stop was the lava tube. After an amazing day, we headed back down the volcano and towards the Big Island Candies store. our tour guide drove us back to our hotel, but pointed out some interesting items along the way home. First, there was this clock completely covered by the tsunami in 1960 and is frozen at the exact time it occurred at 1:05. Next was this banyan tree, which was not properly taken care of, so this is what happened to it. And finally, we made it back to our hotel. Later, we set out to find some dinner for our very last night here in Hawaii. I was very excited because we saw so many little cats out here. The next morning, we went to the airport. And that was the end of our amazing family Hawaii trip. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.